First, we install the internal frame of the sphere screen, installation of the main tube on the base directly over the tube without fixation. Attach the steel frame to the main round tube with M12 of 200 hexagon socket head cap screws, nuts and spacers. Fix the mounting plate to the steel frame with M10 of 60 hexagonal screws, nuts and spacers. Then install the sphere screen housings, a total of 8 cabinets, 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. The lower half of the cabinet is now installed. Start installing the upper 3/4 of the cabinet, taking care to tighten the upper and lower frame joints with screws. Now start to connect the network cable. The receiver card are labeled above according to the order of the drawing to connect the network cable. Network cable installation completed. Install the rest of the sphere screen in its entirety. Lock the joints between the left and right sides of the cabinet with screws . First, position the modules in 4 columns at the midpoints of the 4 cabinets, then determine the center disk's location. For suspended balls, first fix the bottom disk's position. For floor mounted balls, first fix the top disk's position. After positioning is confirmed, assemble each ring of modules sequentially from the center disk outward. Next, we'll start installing the module. Module U represents the top half of the sphere and Module D represents the bottom half of the sphere screen. First, we adjust the height of the module's magnet appropriately and then begin to install. Note that the installation should be done according to the arrow pointing. The lower hemisphere D1 to D5 modules are installed with the arrow pointing downwards and the upper hemisphere U1 to U5 are installed with the arrow pointing upwards. Start by installing the modules from the very bottom of the sphere screen. Module installed. Start connecting the controller. Then plug in the corresponding numbered cable. 1 to 16 cable corresponds to the controller's 1 to 16 port. Start system debugging. Open the AutoLED software. View monitoring, check receiver card status. Open the professional connection diagram screen. Load the web page file. Select options as instructed in the video. Send and cure. At the end of the commissioning, the presentation begins. Damaged modules can be magnetically sucked out of the module. Then replace the module and finish.